We manufacture the Boca walk-in bathtub at our factory in Woodstock, Georgia. We build the tub from start to finish, which ensures you are getting an American-made product of the highest quality. Our team specializes in the production of the Boca walk-in tub and ships them out nationwide to be installed in our customers' homes. The tubs are built to order specifically for each customer, and they go through a rigorous quality and control testing before being boxed and loaded on a truck. We manufacture the Boca walk-in tub with a solid steel bar internal frame. We add a second chop of fiberglass over the steel, which makes the tub one solid unit that is truly built like a tank. We then use a upper marine grade gel coat, which is the same material you will find on the underside of a boat or a yacht. This is the most resilient coating used on the market, literally designed to take on saltwater waves in the middle of the ocean. All of the components that are used on a Boca walk-in tub are designed to last. We only use materials that will hold their glossy finish and will not easily scratch or become damaged. With our internal frame, we are sitting directly in the subfloor, which allows for the lowest step-in threshold for any walk-in bathtub of 2 inches or less, making it much easier to get in and out of your tub safely. We offer every feature available on the market for you to choose from, and all of this is backed by a lifetime warranty. So you will always be able to find a Boca tub that fits your needs and your budget.